everyone, Romy is here with Pixi Dusty Design. Today we are make a beautiful simple card. Today I use a stamp for the new release, the Pixi Dusty Design. You can find all these products on the Pixi Dusty Design website, and I have also linked them in the description box below for easy access. First, we'll start with this beautiful Christmas stamp set. I love all illustrations have the stamp set. You can see it include adorable Santa Claus with Mr. Claus and a snow one, a reindeer carrying gift, and Santa. Plus, it comes with some sentiment to add your card. I will use an alcohol marker, so I'm going to use an ink that won't smash it or smack dash. I don't know how to say this word, but the idea is don't borrow the lines I stamp. So I also using a stamp platform to try make a perfect stamp. So because I very bad stamp set in the paper, but you know, this beautiful tool is my preferred in the world. I'm coloring my stamp, so I leave you with some music. Now I'm going to create the background of my car to make the sky using distress outside on my car base, which I will then attach to the final car. I really love working with distress outside. I enjoy making car backgrounds so much. Really I love. Now I'm going to place my stamp position in the illustration on the car, make sure they are perfectly placed and add the sentiment. Before I use Gansai Tambi watercolor to splice some gold, giving the car touch of shimmer. I'm going to die cut my sentiment using the Christmas pal die set. I made this 3 times because I want to add some dimension in my car. Finally, this is the card I have for you today. If you like the video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I keep watching more videos for the inspiration in the link I leave at the end of the video. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.